how to invite friends and get some bonus on Bybit. Now, Bybit app allows you to invite some friends, and because for the referral and inviting some of the friends on Bybit, you'll be able to gain some rewards. Now, to explore those, open the Bybit app and then make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, on the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. So make sure to tap on that little profile icon there. As and when you do that, you'll find many options here. One of those options will be invite friends. So tap the invite friends button and you will see what you will get over inviting someone. So you can invite friends to earn over 1,717 USDT and earn 30% commission. So one invitation for multiple rewards. So you'll get up to 1,025 USDT and 30% commission from inviting new friends to Bybit. You'll get 7 USDT per application and with fiat deposit. You can get up to 665 USDT from copy trading, and you can get 20 USDT per application. So for each of these criteria, if you select the invite link and then you send it to your friends, you copy the link, right? You send to your friend, they complete the action that is shown over here, then according to that you will get similar rewards. For the other one also, you want to tap on copy and you'll be able to copy the link, and then you'll be able to send to your friends and they'll be able to get that as well. This way you'll be able to invite friends and get some bonus. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.